Dear viewers, in this video, we'll have our English speaking practice. I would be asking you questions and you would have to answer that within 15 seconds. Question number 1. What's the first thing you do after waking up? Question number 2. How do you spend your weekends? Question number 3. What's one food you can eat every day without getting bored? Question number 4. Where do you want to travel next and why? Question number 5. What is one habit you want to improve this month? Question number 6. What made you smile today?